Hello friends, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your likes and share reels at your Instagram accounts. As you all know that when you like any photos or share any reel at your Instagram account, your followers and friends will be know about it. But after enabling this feature, nobody knows about this, which reel you have been shared or which photo you are like. So, without wasting your further time, let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your Instagram account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines. Now scroll it down until you see a option like and share counts. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen. You can see hide like and share counts. Simply toggle this on. After toggling this, nobody knows about which photo you have been liked or any reel you have been shared. Nobody will be seen. Like this, you can easily turn this option on at your devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. Thanks for watching.